Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap on Settings in the bottom right corner, then go to Chats. Normally, transferring chats from iPhone to Android requires a cable, but here's how to do it without one. Tap on Chat Backup. From here you can create a backup of all your conversations. You also have the option to export individual chats if needed, but for full transfers, select Backup Now. Wait for the process to complete. Once the backup is done, close WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now switch to your Android device. Install WhatsApp and log in using the same phone number you used on your iPhone. During setup, WhatsApp will detect the backup from your iCloud if you're using the same email account. Make sure to choose the backup with the correct date that matches your last iPhone backup. Tap Restore Chat History, and all your conversations will be transferred to your Android. So that's basically how you can transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.